Okay, so here we got oh shit, a capacitor. Let's see what it says on it. It says Phillips 68 microfarad. No clue what the other stuff means. Anyway, let's cut it open. I'm not actually gonna cut it open though, but look at this. Camera. You see that? And if we zoom in. No, stop. What are you doing? Look at that. Okay. I'm just gonna come. Okay, and then boom. Got that off now. Oh yeah, I forgot to do something. Nope, it didn't have any charge left in it. Guess what? I got the casing off now. Nice and shiny. It weighs like nothing. Alright. Let's find out what's inside of this guy. Wonder how we're gonna get the casing open without breaking it. I'm just gonna do this. Hey, we're starting to see the inside now. I'm guessing in there is like... Gosh damn it, mosquito. Why? I hate those little things. Anyway. So in there is like all the coils and stuff. That holds everything in there. So that's cool. And here's the inside. Here's the casing. Yep, that's pretty cool. So, yeah, I don't even know what's in here. Some kind of metal. Probably poisonous. You know, the usual. Alright, now I got it open. Look. So that's pretty cool. Maybe I should test what kind of metal it is. And I got these metals out of it. Yeah. So that's cool. I'm not sure if this even is a metal. It sounds so weird. Oh well. Bye-bye.